How I finished a 4-year degree in 3 years. One thing I did is try to take every opportunity to get as much classes as possible. Expensive because you pay tuition for things that even though you don't use, you still have to pay as a tuition. I remember I was used to pay like $7,000 a semester, and it was crazy. And that was because I wasn't staying. If I stayed in campus and eat there and do all the things that they usually do in a campus in university in America, I would pay probably even like 12 or 15, even more $1,000 a semester. So basically a year would be even $50,000. I had people that came from China, from Europe, from India to study in this university, and they would pay like crazy money. I'm like, where do these people get the money? It was all debt. I didn't want to be in debt. So how did I gain 3 years of work experience while in college? And hopefully this gives you some ideas. I don't know how it's in India, but in US, there's all kinds of organizations. So I'm like, okay, I want to be part of organizations, but I want to be on something that is my degree. My degree was business marketing. I wanted to do marketing because I started being more passionate. And my success in life, like woman's success, was not anymore English teacher. That was not enough for me. That was not challenging enough for me. I have nothing against English teachers or interpreters, but it just was not challenging for me. I wanted something that I can build. And I know with English teaching or something more like stable, there's so much you can do with it. I wanted to build something of myself and my career. So I went for marketing business, and I knew with marketing or business, you can get anything. You can go in so many branches, finance and accounting. It just gives you more opportunity. And, it was hard. I'm Albanian. English is not my first language. It was hard. Sometimes I used to memorize things because I just didn't know the meaning of a word. My English vocabulary, even though I finished with good grades from, Albania with American studies, my degree was in English, it was still not enough. But I studied hard. I tried to practice, join communities. I was part of 2 organizations. One was the marketing club. One was the Albanian Student Association. And I was a marketing coordinator. I used to organize events, organize clubs, fundraise. And that was experience, you guys. You can do this while in college. I started a blog. I was promoting my blog through social media. So then I can show, well, I was also a blogger for 3 years. And this is how I grew my blog. I needed to show other employees or employers that college was one thing, but here's all the other things that I did. Because I'm telling you guys, to this day, in every single interview I've been in, no one has asked me, what was your GPA? Or what did you learn in college? Everybody asked me about my experience, and that's very important. I know you're all in college right now, and you're just focusing on studying, but sorry to break you, it's not enough. You can study. Maybe you won't get an A or 10 or whatever you guys have the grades, but you can still maybe get a B. But with the time left that you have, because you didn't study as hard, actually do something of your own. Whatever your passion is, which I would love to know what you guys want to be in life. Chat on the chat box. Let's see some comments over there. What do you guys want to be in life? Whatever you want to be in life, start doing it early. Don't wait to finish college and then get a job and then learn something and then be something. Do it now. There's never a better time than now. So that's what I did. On top of it, I was even working in a pizza restaurant. I was cleaning, doing pizza, selling, waitress, because I also needed money. I did internships. And you know what? I did an internship that not only was paid, I could work flexible hours. It wasn't my field, it was marketing. But also, I was able to ask questions to my college. Can I accredit this and make this so I don't have to take 2 other classes? Because it was something that I was learning in the field. And that's how I saved more money in classes. I did volunteering to have more experience on top of my internship, because my internship didn't last for 3 years. It lasted for, I think it was a year and a half. I did another volunteering job, again, in my field. How did I find the volunteering? I networked with business owners that had companies. You're going to say, well, I'm a college student. Nobody cares about me. You're wrong. You know how many people I would contact on LinkedIn and just introduce myself and be like, hey, I'm so passionate about marketing. And I see you are a marketing manager. I want to be you one day. And I would love to know if you can jump on a 10 minutes call with me to give me some advice. People love to teach, people love to be mentors. So if you find the right people, and I have been a mentor for so many people and so many companies, so many entrepreneurs, so many students, if you find those people, they'll help you. They'll be like, you know what? I actually have a role next semester for an intern. You know what? I'm going to open a role just for you. If you want to volunteer and learn, I'll open it. And once you get in the company and you learn, they're going to hire you and then I actually pay you money. So that's how, when I finished college, I used all the resources the college had. We had a career center. I would learn how to be better in interviews, how to do the best on the interviews so that I can get the job. Before finishing college, it was my last semester, I already had 3 big job offers. It was like a lot of money that people were offering me to join, if it's a developer program, to join their company. And it was just amazing. I'm like, I could do this. Here I am, coming from Albania. I finished college in 3 years, and I already had 3 experience because everybody loved. They already had 3 years of experience with blogging and marketing coordinator, internships, and this and that. And you guys can all do this. Start a Fiverr account or start building a blog. Like, have something to show people that I did something while I was in college. I didn't just read. Everybody can read. Everybody can take a test. Not everybody can actually do other things out of the usual, out of the box. That's what employers are looking for. They're looking for people that are thinkers. They're looking for people, I call them ball. What do I mean by ball? If I roll a ball, it goes on its own. Don't be a cube. If I roll a cube, it'll go maybe once and it'll stay. It needs my push. You need to be a ball and always come up with ideas how I can be a ball and think out of it. Think out of the subject, out of the class. Like, how can I be different? And go be that. It doesn't matter what it is. Someone's success might be, I want to be, I don't know, like a multimillionaire. Someone's success might be, I want to be a teacher. Someone's success might be, I want to just like work and travel. And that's it. They don't want to be rich. So don't think that your success or someone's success is the same. We are all successful if we achieve our goals.